Hey everybody, I don't have the money to cover my seat, so I'm going to try to cover it with a sheet and fix a little bit of the foam, just kind of patch it, make it better than it is. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to cut out some of the rotten part of it. I'm going to replace best I can, glue it in, and just try to make it better than it is. I'm not working for perfection here, just trying to make it better. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. So what I'm doing is I've cut out the section of foam there, and then I've glued some other pieces in, and I've got this bigger piece I'm going to put into place and then try to shape it a little bit. By any means, this is not, I'm not a professional. I'm just trying to make it better than it was. There's a big old hole there. I'm just trying to make it somewhat comfortable. So we'll see how it goes. So far so good. Just used a hacksaw blade to cut the foam. I saw that on a video of an upholstery guy. He said to do that. This adhesive is probably not the exact kind I would need, but for this I'm going to give it a try. Eventually, either I'll replace the foam altogether or pay somebody professionally to do it. So we'll see how it turns out. Well, the way I've been shaping this foam is just with the Harbor Freight little tool there that's like a 40 grit. And so I've been shaping this down so it will sit more flush using that adhesive. It's working. Making a mess, but it's working. So nonetheless, I hope it works. We'll see. Well, I got it all glued in there. My neighbor's cutting some trees across the street, but got it all glued in there, and I think I'll probably shape it just a touch over here. It's a little high, but I can do that, and then cover it up, see what it looks like. So just took an old sheet and some T-pins that you can see there, and after I fixed the foam, I just started trying to get it on there, and since it's got a pattern, I tried to make it somewhat straight so that it would be nice and neat, and just cut, vents for the seat belts to come through. Still got to do the back. I don't have enough T-pins. I'll have to get some more. But I mean, for $0, and this was such a sunk-in space. It's got the new foam on it that I roughed in there that you saw earlier, so not too bad. So hopefully it'll work good. It'll look real good when it's in there. Hey everybody, been working on the seat. I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I got the bottom done last night, just using those T-pins and everything like I was talking about, and I've been working on this morning. I went and got some new T-pins last night, and then this morning I've been working on the top. And so it's just a sheet, it's nothing fancy. Looks a lot better than the old seat that is underneath. So you can see I'm just using the T-pins and putting them, trying to pull it tight through the corners best I can. I mean, it's not, it's not professional by any means, but at least it'll be color-wise, it'll go good with everything else. And of course this will be behind the seat. Still have to do this side, as you can tell. Got a lot of trimming and whatnot to do, but I'm getting there, and won't be long. So nonetheless, we're almost there. I'll show you the finished product when we're done. Well, I just finished working on the seat. I was going to give you a look around and show it to you. I think it turned out pretty good. So there it is. That is a lot better than the messed up seat that was there prior. You know, all the old covers under there, just used an old sheet. And the T-pins, I did the foam repair that you saw earlier. And I went ahead and put my side pieces back on. The color's pretty decent. You know, finished it up. So I think overall, huge improvement. And since I can't afford to have the seat professionally recovered at this time, it'll definitely go pretty good when it gets in there, inside the truck cab. So excited about that.